Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can create BTBox Office account. BTBox Office is a collection of TV channels that lets you buy and watch live pay-per-view events. Now, if you also want to create an account on BTBox Office, then you have to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser on your PC. And there on the URL, search for bt.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will end up in the official page of the BT Box Office. Now to create your BT Box Office account, you have to mouse over to the My BT at the top right of your screen, and on the drop down menu you will be able to see sign up button at the right side of your screen. Now tap on that option and there you will be taken to the next page where you will see two options. One is to I want to be the account holder and the next one is I want to be the account manager. Now go through all these features on your screen and then choose one from them. Once you choose one from them, tap on any of these buttons and there you will taken to the next page. Now you have to type in your BT account number, and if you don't have a BT account number, then you have to tap on this don't have a BT account number and there type in your BT phone number and the postcode here and there tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, you will get this BT account number. Type in that BT account number here and after that you have to choose the title and then in the next field you have to type in your first name. Once you type in your first name, head over to the next field where you have to type in your last name. And once you're done with filling your last name, you have to head over and then you have to choose date of birth. Once you're done with filling all the details here, tap on next button which will pop up on your screen after you fill all these details. And once you tap on next button, you will taken to the next page where you will get validate of your account and then you have to choose your BT ID and after that your BT Box Office account will be created. So that was the step-by-step process on how you can create your BT Box Office account. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video. Thanks for watching.